Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been trying to film this video for a long while, and part of it was I was waiting for a full $82 order from Loft to come in the mail, and it was like mega clearance, so it was a lot of stuff. I think it was over I think it was about 10 items. And it felt like forever. It was weeks and weeks and weeks. It was almost a month. And then randomly I just got notified that it got sent back and it was being refunded because something with my address. I'm like, well, I got all this other stuff and I got stuff before with no problem. And it's such a shame because there's a lot of things in there that I really, really wanted that's no longer even on the website. But it is what it is. So because of that refund, I made an order from at Torrid. And you're probably saying like, Natalie, didn't you lose a lot of weight? Like blah 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 blah. But I got everything in their 00, medium, large size 810 sizing. So their smallest size that Torrid offers, and honestly probably another 10 pounds maybe. I probably definitely won't be able to buy anything from Torrid ever again. I don't fit in anything Eileen Bryant anymore. It's too big, which yay, right? Yay. So really, really, really good. If you are new here, I'm on a weight loss journey. I've lost over 90 pounds, so definitely subscribe. And you can follow along or follow me on Instagram at HKSOCKO. That is where I post a lot of my weight loss journey on there. So I'm going to share with you the Torrid stuff, and then I'll go into the Loft stuff. The Loft was inspired. The haul was inspired because I really needed loungewear and PJs because everything is so large. Literally my pajama pants come all the way up to here. Like, they're so big. My lounge slash PJ tops are now like nightgowns. So I really, 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 really needed some new lounge clothes, PJs, and everything like that. And of course I did get some regular stuff as well, like regular clothing. So let's start off at Torrid. So you're gonna laugh, but I don't care. When you are overweight, you just love some good old pull-up pants, and I got some. So these are pull-up. I haven't tried these on, and honestly, looking at the waist, it kind of looks a little big. So I'm not gonna lie. I probably should try these on so I can give you some feedback. Also, I am going to start doing try-on hauls hopefully soon. I need to get a floor length mirror here in my beauty room. I do have like the over the door floor length, but they're just not good. Like, they're just not good quality. So I'm going to invest in a really good floor length mirror. Okay, I'm gonna lean it against. I'm not gonna hang it. I'm just gonna like lean it against the wall and everything. I already have it where I'm gonna put it. So I just need to find a really good one. So if you have any recommendations, let me know below, because I want to start like doing pictures, even if it's not like a video of me trying it on, but at least put in pictures and everything so you guys can see it. And also a new phone is on its way. I got the new Galaxy S21 Plus, and I'm so excited. And I'm gonna get a monitor that hooks up to it so I can use the rear facing camera versus the front. So I'm so excited. So definitely stay tuned for better quality. Okay, so I got these. These are the Torrid cropped lean jean 00 super soft. So they were described as a jegging, I believe. I'll try to link everything below. This is part of their super soft line, which I love because everything is so soft, and they're light, which I don't own any light anything, I feel like. And these are cropped. I don't have any capris. I don't have any summer clothes. So I really just wanted to get just one pair just to hold me over until I can find another brand or whatever like that, or even maybe from Loft, to which I did order jeans from Loft and cropped jeans, but that order was canceled. So that's why I went ahead and just got these. But the thing is, with losing weight and everything, my waist has gotten so small. I'm like, I don't understand. And then my hips are big. So I don't think that these might be too big. I need to try them on. But that's what I got. Then I wanted to get a pair of capri leggings because I love leggings. So I wanted to get a pair of capri leggings. And so I got these ones. I don't think these are the premium. Maybe. I don't think so. These are the black capri slim fix. And all this stuff was on sale. I can't remember. I think it was 30% off at the time. And then right after, of course, they had a 40% off sale. So that kind of like, that's what I get, right? This is what it looks like. So these are the 00 medium large size 10. So that's what that looks like. These will definitely fit. Like the waist is nice and small. It's weird. Like I need the waist to be small, but then I have bigger thighs and bigger hip and a bigger booty, and it is what it is. And then I want to get a pair of new capri leggings. I do have some capri leggings, but all my black ones are way too big. So then I got these and the 00. So these will definitely fit as well. But yeah, those jeans like look really, really big. And it's really odd now when I look at clothes, I'm like, God, that looks really small. And then when I put it on and it fits, I'm like, whoa, mine is blown. It's so weird when I'm so used to things being like double the size, if not even probably more. So again, these are the 00 medium large. These are the black legging capri with pockets. Yeah, these are nice. I like the Torrid workout stuff. I also like the Lane Bryant as well, but they're just too big for me now. Then this was on like super clearance, and I eyed this up a couple months ago, and I was like, I really wanted it, and then it was on sale. This is their T Black Stars cropped. I don't know. It's an activewear top, which I need new active tops, and I did do a Gymshark haul, which all of it I've used, and it's like in the wash and everything like that. I got 2 pairs of bottoms, 2 tops, and then this jacket here, zip up, and I love everything I got, and I got everything in a size large, and it all fits. So really great. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So I really need more workout tops, if anything, and I need some good sports bras. So yeah. Okay, so 2 regular clothing pieces that I probably didn't need, but you know, but these are like sexy. Okay, and I was like, okay, I know that if I want to get something like this, when I do, I won't be able to find it. And even if I did lose more weight, it's leggings. So I mean, honestly, it took a while for my leggings to feel big on me. Let's just put it that way. So I still got the 00. So I feel like even if I lose another 20 pounds, these still should work. But these are like all mesh. And I could just see myself in Vegas wearing these. Like I was like, oh my God. George was like, woohoo. At first I thought he was gonna be like, what are you wearing? What did you buy? And then when he saw it, I was like, oh, it's see-through. I said, I got these for Vegas. I have no trips planned, but I'm going to save these for Vegas or maybe going somewhere else special. I don't know. But I thought that these are like the best Vegas leggings or outfit ever. And yeah, so I'm just really excited about that. But I figured like when you want something like that, you're not going to be able to find it. And then I got this like cardigan, which I know, right? But it's lightweight. So I feel like I can still wear it now in spring in Pennsylvania because it's not like hot yet. Got this in a 00, and this was like super on clearance, and it's so pretty. It's like a nice like rainbow, and it has like 2 little like front pockets. I just thought it was really, really unique and pretty. So, and it's so cute on, and yeah, so that's what I got from Torrid. All right, I'm gonna try to speed through the Loft stuff because it is kind of a lot. So let's go through the clothes, and then I'll go through the PJs. So I got this top here, and pretty much everything I got in a medium. Some things I got in a small for the PJs. Yeah, I don't think I got anything in a large, but I'll definitely let you know if I did get anything. So anyway, this is a medium. This is what it looks like. And I just like love like the frill detail at the top here, and the same detail is on the sleeves. But this feels so comfortable. I can just like see myself like in Cape May, New Jersey, just walking around the shops with this. I don't know. I just really, really enjoy that. Or I'm gonna enjoy it. It's very comfortable. This is a little bit more like stiffer material. Same kind of detail at the top here and on the sleeves, and it has like little embroidered hearts on it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. I wish that the dark navy blue with the hearts, I wish this had the same material as this, but it's just a little bit more structured. I like to be comfortable, okay? This I ordered in multiple colors, but that order was canceled. But I got this as a small. What? A small? I don't think I've ever worn small in my life. Anyway, so it has like 2 pockets at the front here, and it's like just kind of like flowy, like a tunic. But I wish I would have gotten, I got them all in a small, But then I wish I also would have been able, I wish I would have thought of to get them also in an extra large, although that order was canceled, but whatever. Because in that way I can wear it fitted or I can wear it oversized. But this is very, very comfortable and just like really cute. I feel like you can wear this dressed up, dressed down in so many different ways. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that top, but I also ordered it in white and black, and then they also had like a light pinky dusty rose shade that ended up being sold out too. So I'm so mad that that got canceled. This I got for like $8. Everything here was like $10 or under. It was so incredibly cheap. I couldn't believe it. So that's why like I stock up. This is a large because they didn't have a medium available, but this is so cute. I feel like I can wear this like slouchy. It is kind of cropped. So I feel like when stuff is cropped, you can always go a size larger because that way then, you know, it won't be as cropped. And then it kind of has like a balloon sleeve and it like cinches here, but this is so pretty and it's like a nice weight. So you can get away with this fall, winter, but also in the early spring. You kind of can wear this somewhere and then take it off if it gets too warm. This is just so pretty. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that. Also this like sweatshirt, but it's like a fleece. I thought that only the black hearts were gonna be like a fleece material, but the whole thing is, it is so comfortable. This is in a medium. And I don't know, I've been selling a lot of my old clothes because they're just way too big, they don't fit anymore. And I sold so many heart like sweaters and tops, and I just want my heart stuff back. So it was perfect because when I ordered, it was like right after Valentine's Day when everything was super clearance and all the heart stuff. And then this sweater as well. This stuff is so comfortable. Just so cute, and again, very soft. Nothing is scratchy. If you're used to scratchy stuff from like Old Navy, I know I bash Old Navy, I feel like a lot, but if you like had sweaters that are just scratchy, uncomfortable, and you think you don't like them, buy some stuff from Loft because I'm telling you, they are so comfortable. This I got in a medium and by accidentally in a petite. Did not mean to do that, but that's okay. But this is so cute. It's like a boat neck, which I'm not really used to, but I also wanted this. They also had it with a stripe that said love in cursive in black, and it looked so pretty, but it was sold out. Well, actually, no, it got canceled from my one order. So yeah, I guess that's what happens when everything is like just so cheap. Everything, I had a bunch of things that got canceled, but I just don't know what happened to that package of why it said it couldn't be delivered. So weird. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so the last couple like regular clothing items, I got this t-shirt in a size medium with some hearts here. Well, this would be just really cute for, you know, spring, summer, and yeah, just really adorable. And I think this was like $4. Like I please, like you can't even make that up. Like I'm just like, you'd be dumb, I feel like, not to buy this stuff because it's so inexpensive. It's like, buy your Christmas gifts early, people. When it's that inexpensive, buy it early. These fit me now, and I wish I would have went with a smaller size. But it's a nice color for spring. It's like a wider leg, like I believe this was a bootleg or straight leg. Oh, wait, does it tell me here? Maybe it tells me here. High waist straight crop, size 12-31. And then it has like fringing at the bottom. So I'm kind of like into the whole mom jean look, but this might be the most maybe like mom jean look I'm gonna go for. I don't know. You know whose pants I want? I want Orange Cassidy pants from AEW. That's with the drawstring and everything. I need to find those. If you know what brand that is, let me know. Okay, so then into the PJs. So I'm all into sets. If anyone who knows me watches this and you're someone who is going to buy me a gift, get me sets. I don't want a mismatch. No. Okay, even if it doesn't come together, you better get me a set because I am all about the sets. I don't want random thing here, random thing there. It has to be one set. I can't stand it. I don't know. Anyway, so, or honestly, if you don't know what to get somebody, get them pajama sets. And it's the best gift ever because usually most people don't buy pajama sets for themselves, I feel like. I never would. I would just buy something random here, random there. And sets are kind of expensive, but at Loft, they're really inexpensive. So again, everything was like $8 for each piece. So not bad at all. I got this set here, and it's like a wider leg, which I'm not like a big fan of, but I thought for loungewear, this would be really good. And it's not like a stiff material. You know how sometimes these like types of pants can be like, you know, uncomfortable to wear or even wear to bed. But this is like so cute. It's very fall-like, which that's what it reminds me of. So I might actually save these for fall. And then this is the matching top, and it's like a button top. So I don't know if this will be something that I will actually sleep in, but it's just nice for around the house, kind of, you know, you're comfortable, but you're not like in pajamas. And then these, okay, so I have like a dilemma. One pair I'm actually gonna give to my mom. So if you're watching this, she's gonna get a pair of pajamas. Okay, it's weird. So I'm gonna keep the small and I'm gonna give her the medium, but this is the medium top. It's like everything runs really big from them, but I don't mind that, like sometimes in PJs. But the reason being is because I got 2 pants and 2 tops the same. So one's small, one's medium, because one was sold as a set and then the others were separates. I just assumed that they were different, you know? And again, I was buying smalls and mediums and whatever. So I'm gonna keep this small for myself and give her the medium. But they're the exact same thing. But again, one was like a sold as a set for like $15, and then the other 2 were sold as separates. So incredibly weird. So she's gonna be getting some PJs. Okay. Then I did get 2 misfits, all right? Don't ask. I did just want to get a pair of shorts. These are a medium, which I don't know. I just can't believe I bought a pair of shorts in medium, but I don't own any pajama shorts at all. So I thought, you know what? Let's get some. So I got 1 pair. These were like $7. And then I got this top, which I'm like, you know what? I can pair them together so they're not really misfits. It can be a made up set. But this, honestly, I might wear, it says Loft Sleep on it. It's a size small, but I honestly might just wear this as like a regular shirt. Not gonna lie. It's really pretty. It looks like a regular shirt, honestly. So, but yeah, it's very comfortable. But it's not like, to me, it doesn't look like pajamas. All right, another set, of course, with hearts here. And same thing, wide leg, super comfortable, great for loungewear. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like if I go on vacation or like if I go to see my mom or whatever and I'm sleeping somewhere, I like to be in sets. Like I like to feel cute, you know what I mean? And not in some like raggedy pajamas. Yeah, I don't know. I have to get rid of so many pairs of pajamas because they're all so big. I feel like this might be too big. I don't know. We'll see. I still have to try all this stuff on. But yeah, these are just so cute, and like the hearts and everything. And then this is the top, and it's a button down or button up with 2 pockets. Super, super, super cute. Love. And still very comfortable. Okay, the last 2 are like couple of my favorites, I guess. This is so adorable, and it says let's get cozy on it. Oh, it's so cute. And this is a size small. Oh my gosh, please someone like pinch me, because I just can't even believe that I have lost this much weight. It's just insane. And then these are the matching pants. So and again, these are sold separately, but they have the set. So when they do have the mega clearance sales, you have to jump on it right away, because or else they'll have your size in the top, but not in the bottom. And some people are different sizes on top and bottom, but I just got the same size all the way around. But yeah, you just have to jump quick and hope that things don't get canceled, or else then you're gonna be stuck with misfits. And then the last thing are these heart pajamas. And oh my God, these are so comfortable. These are in a medium. But look how cute, and they're like little hearts. Oh my gosh, so incredibly cute. And then it has the matching bottoms here. I probably could have gotten a small in these, but I think the mediums were the only thing that was available, but that's okay. But oh my gosh, I am just so excited that I was able to film this video today so I can try everything on first, then chop all the tags off and wash what I'm keeping and start wearing them, because I just recently went through all of my loungewear and pajamas and got rid of 90% of it, and my 2 drawers are literally empty. Actually, no, 3 drawers are literally empty, because that's how much I have decluttered and gotten rid of and donated. So, and some things were trash because it was just so bad, like couldn't even donate it. So that's what happens like when you don't update your pajamas for like 2 years, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, but definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna get a mirror, I'm gonna get a better phone with a better camera, and I'm gonna start doing try-ons and everything like that. So I will see you guys all in the next one. So hopefully the next clothing haul that I do, it will be a good one for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment what is your favorite clothing store. If you love Loft, what do you love about Loft? What do you buy from Loft? And what are you guys looking forward to with summer and spring, and what like spring summer fashion are you loving? Let me know below. I would love to hear about it because I need some tips. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys.